Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So I do have another new nail shape that I'll be adding to my Etsy shop. This is in the shape Coffin Extra Short, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I use it, what it looks like. I'm so sorry I didn't do a comparison to my Coffin Extra Short. I usually do, but all the dimensions and everything is listed on my Etsy shop. But yeah, I'm so excited. I hope you guys really love this new shape, and I'm quickly falling in love with it. It's becoming one of my favorites. But all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out to my nails, wall to wall. If you're new to doing nails, or even if you just want a faster method for doing nails, I definitely recommend giving soft gel full nail covers a try. They just make the process so much faster, so much quicker, and so much easier. And the link will be down below as always. So we're using Polygel for my video today. This shade is called Light Apricot by Model Ones, and I'll be using alcohol as my slip. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if it's maybe the temperature in my room, or maybe it's just the fact that I hadn't done Polygel in a little bit, but I really struggled with doing, and sorry for the shakiness right now, it gets better, but I really struggled with doing this Polygel method today. So as you guys know, I usually just put a nice size amount in my full nail cover, and then I make the cuticle thinner than the rest of the nail. Today was just one of those days where I just wasn't getting it. Like, I just was having an off day. I was either putting too little or too much Polygel in the full nail cover. So this really brought me back to my beginner days, and I just want to say that if you're totally new to trying it, it's really trial and error. The first few times you're just trying to gauge, you know, how much you should be putting in that full nail cover. And you'll get the hang of it soon enough. But I've been doing nails now for a while now, and I just was really having an off day today. But yeah, so that's why you see me struggling, and I wanted to leave it in here so you guys can see, you know, I struggled too. But all in all, the nails ended up coming out really cute. If it's not working, I just take it off and redo it. That's what I always say. I'd rather take it off and redo it than have, you know, a bum nail. So that's my little quote of the day. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me struggle. All right, so after that's all done and applied, I never show the curing process, but all in all, I pretty much flash cure each nail, and then I cure all of the nails for a good minute and 30 seconds. But I wipe down the nails with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and then I'm going in now with an 80/80 grit nail file and just cleaning up the edges and making sure everything is seamless. Alright, so before we begin applying our polish, I'm going to go in with a nail buffer or sanding block and just buff off my nails and make sure that that surface area is rough before applying any type of polish. This just helps any type of gel polish you have adhere better. So I'm using this Cozy Cashmere polish by Gel Beauty, and this polish took forever and 8 months to get here. It was insane, ridiculous. So just for that reason, I don't recommend this company. I'm not joking. It probably took about 4 months for this polish to get to me. Something crazy, but I don't recommend this company. I love this gel polish. It's actually one of my favorites, but I will never order again simply because customer service and shipping was just so poor. And yeah. So I'm going in with this polish and just applying it to my nails and then curing. Alright, so for our design today, I'm going to be going in with this polish called Resort. The brand is called Oi Oi, but this is actually under MAKARRT. And as you guys know, I do have a discount code with them. So if you're interested, feel free to check the description box below. I think my code saves you 15%. But I'm going in with this nail art palette. I really need to get a new one because it's starting to get out of control. But I'm just going in and I'm going in with the Shein line art brush, but you can get these brushes anywhere. And I'm just going in and creating my design. Honestly, I could have just left the design at this, and I probably should have just left it at this because it was super cute, super fun, really cute for the summertime, I would say. But yeah, I'm just going in and doing my design. Not too much to it, so I'll just let you guys watch me work my magic. The second part, I'm going in with this Beetles polish. This is a silver polish and that same brush. This is why I said I probably should have stopped here, because the silver line like just wasn't swirling the way it was supposed to swirl. And I guess I was kind of in a rush. I didn't really care too much, but I don't know. This nail art brush is not really good for if you want to do swirls. You got to get a really good brush, like a really good brush to do swirls, and this brush just wasn't doing it for me. Maybe it's just me though, because I always have a problem with swirls, but I always use the same brush. I don't know. I should have just stopped at the yellow. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. But yeah, I just went in and kind of was trying to make little swirls on my nails. I forgot to do the top coat. Don't forget to do your top coat. But last and final step is cuticle oil. I went in with my scent Citrus, and this is available for purchase in my Etsy shop. But here are the final results. They're cute. I just feel like the yellow would have just been cuter, but I'm not mad at it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.